All right, so you won't be told if it's SSS, SAS, or what. The way we know really what construction this is by reading the question. So construct triangle LQP, so triangle LQP, so that it is congruent to triangle ZTY. That congruent statement will help. We're going to use side ZT, side TY, and side YZ. So this is how I know it's side, 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 that I'm using these three sides. That's what we're going to use in our method, and then we're going to show all of our compass markings. So first thing is just like how we start an angle, just use your straight edge to draw a straight line. And I'm going to label a vertex. I'm going to make this what Y was. So look at the congruent statement. It helps to write it. P and Y are in the same position, so that has to be P. Then I'm going to use my compass to measure the length. Oops. To measure the length. So I want to make sure my pencil goes, or my compass goes from Y to T. My pencil's on T. Move the point over to P. Go ahead and put your point where that arc and that segment intersect. So since that was point T there, if I look at my congruent statement, Q is the letter in the middle that corresponds with T. So that has to be vertex Q. And then lastly, this last part is what makes it a side, side, side. So to find our last point using sides, if I want to figure out where Z has to be, although we're going to call it L in the new triangle, let's see. I want to set my compass width so that it's the length of YZ. Come over to P and just make an arc. Anywhere on that arc is the correct distance from P that we need. Sorry, this is sideways a little. This is really hard to film. All right, then I'm going to do the same thing here. Put the pointer on T. Okay, that's where my Z is. Come over to Q, because Q and T are corresponding. Make an arc there. Anywhere on that arc is the right length from Z to T. So where those intersect is the point that we need. And that's going to be where we put our vertex L. And then lastly, we will just connect these two sides. Make sure you are not erasing your compass marks. That is part of what you were graded on, is me being able to tell that you used your compass. That is a side, side, side construction.